my channel. If you are new to me, my name is Kaylee. I'm going to be guiding you through this workout for today. So we're going to be doing a 10-minute ab flow. So I have these 1-pound Bala Bangles. You can put these around your wrists, your ankles, or you can use light weights, 1, 2, 3 pounds if you want to add a little something extra. Otherwise, everything can be done with your own body weight. Okay, so I'm going to be on my mat. We're going to do a lot of this and most of this workout on our back, so make sure you have something soft down. Grab some water. Remember to subscribe to my channel because you get a new workout every single week. I post one every Friday. And I've also been uploading when I can the live workouts that I do on my Instagram. I also upload those to YouTube. Okay, so if you want at-home workouts you can do with minimal equipment, sometimes no equipment at all is needed, follow along, subscribe, and check out my Instagram, Kaylee_guiding. Lots of workouts, live workouts on there. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Grab whatever props you want to use, grab your mat, 10-minute ab flow, and let's begin. Otherwise, you can do body weight. We're going to start on our back. Let's get to it. It's going to be a quick ab series here, okay? So lie all the way down. Find a position that feels comfortable for you. Let's just start with 2 deep breaths here. Take a nice big inhale. Fill up the lungs. Exhale. Pull everything in. Good. Again, inhale, lift. Just think about everything expanding. Exhale. Pull everything down. Good, now you're gonna float those legs up to tabletop. We're starting very quickly today, okay? So make sure you're nice and warm. I want you to bring your arms by your hips. So if you have weights, you can hold your weights. Otherwise, I have my wrist weights on. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders. We're starting with that 100. So if you're used to Pilates, you know this. Start to pump those arms, vigorously pumping those arms, guys. We find our breath. We breathe in for 5. We exhale out for 5. So it's a great way to warm up the breath, the core, everything, okay? So here we go. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl up 1 more inch. Stay lifted. Keep breathing. Find that breath. Breathe in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Keep pumping the arms. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Come on, stay with me. 2 more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Good. Now I want you to flip those palms up. Flip the palms down. Flip the palms up. Curl 1 inch higher. Flip the palms up and down. Next one, hold. Palms up. Sweep the arms back behind you. Touch your thumbs together. Bring it right back forward. Curl up 1 more inch. Good. Reach it back behind you. Tap the thumbs. Bring it up. Curl 1 more inch. Good. Again, sweep it back behind you. As you bring the arms forward, curl up 1 more inch and hold. Pulse up right here. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it right there. Extend the legs out nice and long. Bring the heels together, the toes apart. Hold. Breathe. Lower the legs down 1 inch. Bend at the knees. Bring your toes together. Bring the knees in towards your chest and then press out and lengthen the legs. Good. The arms are still reaching. Pull in. Press out and reach. Pull in. Press out and reach. Good. Lift up from the core. Pull in. Press out and reach. 1 more here. Pull in and hold. Hold it right there. Hands behind the head. Elbows wide. Crunch up nice and small. Little pulse. Up. Up. Good. Lift. Lift. So your knees match your elbows basically right here. You're at 8, 7, 6, 5. We pull the knees in. 3, 2, 1. Knees together. Lower down. Breathe. Bring the knees into the chest. Take a little rock side to side. Gorgeous. Now we're going to lengthen here. Send the legs out nice and long. Bring the arms up and over the head. Take a full body stretch. Feel a little bit of extension through your spine. Good. And then take a nice big inhale. Bring the arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale all the way out. As you do that, I want you to feel your core engage. Re-engage the core. Pull the abs in as you exhale. Bring those feet together. Flex the feet. 1 more inhale here. You start to bring your chin to your chest. Exhale. Lift all the way up. Instead of reaching forward, I want you to lift up nice and tall. Come to a seated position. Good. Then bring it right back down. Scoop the belly in, around the spine. Lift up and over. Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Chin to chest. Lift all the way up. Good. Drop the shoulders down and back. You got it. 1 more like that. yet. Articulating the spine bone by bone. Inhale. Exhale, lift. Now hold it up at the top right here, pause. Scoop the belly in around the spine, bring it back down halfway. Bring the arms with you to chest height. From here, pull one elbow in as you twist in that direction. Pull. Good, send the arm right back out, switch sides. Elbow comes in, keep it nice and close to the body. Twist. Pull the belly in, good, twist. Exhale as you twist, inhale as you lengthen forward. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen, 2 more. Exhale, twist. Really feel those side abdominal muscles working here. Good, last one, you're gonna hold it right there. Lift up 1 inch. Roll back 2 inches, take it a little bit further back, open the arms out to the side. Try not to twist or rotate, just hold. For 4, for 3, for 2, lift up nice and tall, dive it forward, take a full stretch forward. Good, now I want you to lengthen forward over the toes, scoop the belly in. Pull the belly back, imagine I have a string and I'm pulling it back. Right there, yes. Okay, now we're gonna roll down bone by bone, all the way to the floor. Bone by bone, as slow as you can go. All the way down, bring the arms up and over, take a full body stretch, and then bring the arms right down to your sides. I know we're moving quickly here. Perfect. Okay, now I want you to open those legs up nice and wide. So your toes are gonna be pointed, you're turning those quads on. Your feet are a little wider, so about hip distance, a little wider than hip distance. Try the mat distance, okay? From here, arms go down by your sides, open the chest, lift the right leg up, pull the belly in, feel those abs working. Okay, so instead of letting the hips move all around and open up, your abs are keeping everything stable. Lower the leg down, switch sides. Lift the left leg up and pause. Good, feel that stabilization right there. Lower down, switch. 2 more, 1 each side. Right leg lifts. Lower, good, left leg lifts. And lower, now we switch to the right, we hold it right there. Small circles in. Good, as you do this, try not to let the hips move, the pelvis move. Keep everything stable by using the core, using your obliques, those side abdominal muscles. For 4, for 3, for 2, reverse that circle, take it back. I always say, we don't like to see any of those Shakira hips, right? We don't want to be wiggling around. For 4, for 3, for 2, lower that leg down, switch, lift. Reach those legs longer, start to give me those small circles. In towards center, yes. Stabilize, you got it guys. Breathe, inhale. Exhale, give me 4, 3, 2, keep that circle small, reverse, around. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Breathe, inhale. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place both feet down. Good, make sure both feet are on the mat. Exactly where we started here. Take the hands behind the head. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. Lift up nice and tall. Give me a little pulse here. Pulse up. Good, you have 8 like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it right there. Float that right leg up. Good. It doesn't have to be high. Switch, left leg. Float it up. Good, switch. Stay lifted with the upper body. Switch, feel those obliques. Beautiful job, guys. 2 more. Lift. Last one, lift. Good, place it down. Keep the head, neck, and shoulders lifted. Take the feet, bring them right onto the floor. Bend the knees. Good, from here, curl up 1 more inch. Breathe, hold it, pulse it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it right there. Send the arms out by your hips, just like we did in that 100. Now the feet are on the ground. Flip the palms up. Reach your right fingertips towards your right ankle, and then switch, switch, switch. Good, so you have that lateral movement here, side to side. Reach, reach. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold center. Collapse the knees together. Let the knees come together. Pull the heels in closer to your glutes. Grab onto your ankles. Curl up higher so you can hold right there. Just hold. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Lower down. Bring the knees into the chest. Take a little rock side to side here. A little rock side to side. Almost there, guys. Bring the legs to a tabletop position. Take the hands behind the head. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. Breathe right here. Take a nice little twist to the right. Hold it. Hold that twist. Pulse up. Pulse up. Good. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Lift through center. Other side. Pulse. Pulse. Good for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Get ready to crisscross. Alternate. Extend leg out and twist. Twist. Good. Breathe. For 4, 3, 2, last one. 1, bring both knees into the chest, stay lifted right here. Curl into a nice little ball. Take your hands on top of your shins. And then open everything up. Reach the arms over your head, reach the legs long. Circle the arms around, bring everything back into a nice little ball. Good, reach it out and bring it right back in. Breathe, inhale. Exhale, pull all the way back in. Curl up 1 inch higher. 1 more like this, bring it into a nice little ball, send the legs up to the ceiling, grab onto your right leg, let the left leg go long, and then pull up 1 more inch, scissor the legs and switch. Switch, good, so feel that nice stretch through the back of the legs here. Switch, almost done guys. Breathe, inhale, exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it right there, breathe. Take the hands behind your head, good, pulse up right here. Last 8 on each side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Last time. You got 8 pulses here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees come in, lower down. Breathe. Awesome job, guys. Rock yourself up to seated here. Beautiful. We're going to come right up to our hands and knees. Take a nice deep breath. You're almost done. Right from here, I want you to curl the toes under. So knees are under your hips. Curl the toes under. Lift yourself 1 inch off the floor. Find a nice little hover. Tap those knees down and up. Tap down and lift. Tap down and lift. Good. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. As you exhale, pull the belly in. Feel those ribs connected. Good. You got 4, 3, 2, last one, hold it right there. Bring the feet together, zip up the inner thighs. Give me a little twist, twist, twist. Good, how cute is this, right? 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, step back to your plank. Open the feet a little bit wider. Reach your right arm forward. Switch, reach your left arm. Switch, right, left. Good, last 4 here, guys. Finish strong. 3, 2, 1, hold, breathe, take a down dog. Good, pedal those feet out right here. Take a stretch, let the chest open up. And then bring it right back to your knees. Knees go down, take a cat-cow. Arch the back, lift the head, find an extension. And then scoop the belly in. Good, a couple more like that. Take your extension, arch the back, lift the head, inhale. Good, scoop it around, exhale. 1 more like that, just breathe it out. And exhale. Good, bring it back to a neutral spine. From here, we're coming to a seated position. Let's just finish all together here, guys. Take a nice big inhale, reach those arms up. Exhale, fall up and over, take a nice stretch here. Stretching through the side body, we work those obliques a lot. Sweep it forward, lift up to the other side. Gaze up towards the ceiling. Good, 2 more. Just let it flow. Last one. Good, bring it right back to center. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Always just releasing any tension in the shoulders and reverse. And again, guys, you could do this at the end of one of my other workouts. You can do it on its own. It's just a nice, quick 10-minute series. That is it. Awesome job, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave your comments below of what you want to see for next week's video, the weeks after. Let me know if you like this. Give it a thumbs up if you do. It really helps so that you see my videos, that YouTube shows my videos. It helps if you guys comment and like these videos. So we appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button at the end of this video so you get new workouts every week. And follow me on Instagram, okay? Again, Kaylee_Guiney. Lots of fun things happening. Lots of fun things coming for you guys in the next few months. So stay tuned. Awesome job. Have a great week.